What is sinusitis? The sinuses are air of filled spaces in the bones around the nose, maxilla, and forehead. The infection that occurs when these cavities become inflamed, usually due to the obstructions in the channels they open into the nose, is called sinusitis. There are two types of sinusitis, acute and chronic. What are the symptoms of sinusitis? Symptoms seen in acute sinusitis following a cold and flu. Nasal congestion, yellow-green or bloody nasal discharge, pain around the eyes, cheek pain that can be confused with toothache, feeling of pressure on the face, facial or headache that increases with leaning forward, bad breath. Sometimes complaints of dry cough or stomach upset can be seen. Fever is a less common symptom. In chronic sinusitis, the duration of symptoms is longer than 3 months. Dark runny nose, postnasal drip, nasal congestion, inability to smell, cough especially at night. How is sinusitis treated? Antibiotics, nasal drops that facilitate the drainage of the sinuses, and painkillers are used in new onset sinusitis. The patient is advised to clean the nose with salt water. Also, if you are allergic, drugs for allergies can prevent the development of sinusitis. Antibiotics used in chronic sinusitis are stronger and used for a long time. In addition, sinus lavages, endoscopic sinus surgeries, and open surgeries may be required. What are the home herbal remedy methods for sinusitis pain? If you have sinusitis problem, you can also take a steam bath as a quick and immediate solution to this problem. Throw a chamomile or eucalyptus oil into a boiled water. Bring your nose close and inhale this scent for a while by wrapping a towel over our head so that no steam escapes. You can take a small amount of thyme oil orally 1 to 2 times a day to relieve sinusitis pain. The ginger tea you will make will also help relieve your sinusitis pain. It may also be beneficial to put a wet warm towel on the points where you have sinusitis pain. In addition, oils such as rosemary, eucalyptus, menthol, clove oil, tea tree oil, and peppermint oil will also help relieve your sinusitis pain. Using a higher pillow instead of a low pillow while sleeping will increase your comfort during sinusitis. Let's remind you of this. It is very important in this process to keep your immune system strong, especially by resting and getting good sleep. When you do research for the question of how to relieve sinusitis pain, you will encounter the application of salt water, which is one of the most frequently used and most effective methods. Add 1 teaspoon of plain salt to 1 large glass of boiled water and mix well. After the mixture has warmed up a little, cleaning your nose with this water will open your nose a little and relieve your pain. You can put the mixture in a small mouth spray bottle and spray it into your nostrils a few times from time to time. A hot soup comes to the rescue of those who think that it is good for sinusitis pain, as it is a panacea. Adding some hot pepper, garlic, and black pepper to your soup will make it easier to open the nasal passages. When you do a little research on what to do for sinusitis pain, cold compress application will also appear. Contrary to hot steam, cold application can also relieve pain. With an ice bag, you can compress your head and, if any, the area of under eye swelling. Doing cold application for a long time can damage your skin. It will be appropriate to compress by taking short breaks. One of the best ways to relieve pain in the head area is to massage. You can also use soothing oils such as lavender, thyme, and peppermint while massaging. You can also do a sinus massage with a mixture of basil, powdered ginger, and cloves. If your sinusitis pain does not go away within a few days, do not underestimate this situation and see a doctor immediately. Don't forget to like the channel and subscribe.